Hey everybody, welcome back to another drawing tutorial. So today we are going to be drawing Annie from Attack on Titan. Okay, so I'm on a landscape orientation page. Use a pencil and an eraser and hit pause if I go too fast for you. So it's kind of a 3/4, well, our body's in 3/4, so our body's kind of turned a little bit away from us. We can just see our shoulders and our face, right? And she's got some hair coming down over her eye. So it's not like straightforward, so a little bit more tricky than just a straightforward portrait. Can't really find, there isn't a lot of great like Annie looking forward pictures, which is strange, but this is the best one I could find anyway. So center point of my page is here. Come up over to the right hand side and we'll start with our eye. So we'll go diagonal first and then across. Then we'll bring this down like so and around. Right, and the top eyelid now we'll just thicken it up, right? So we'll just add an extra sort of few lines on top. And maybe the back should be a little bit thicker as well, just there. And I think we got some eyelash going on just here. Right, like so. And then her iris and her pupil. So her iris, just a sort of circle with the top cut off, just there, and her pupil in there. So we can't see her other eye because it's underneath her fringe, right? So we'll just go on and do her eyebrow and stuff. So sort of thin eyebrow here and very thin color section just there, and then her eyelid line. There. And then her nose will come down from her eyebrow. And then we can actually see the bridge of her nose just here. It's actually drawn in. So like her other eye is here, right? So it's about, like we can't see much of it, but because it's under hair, but it's about eye width, I'd say. Nearly. So like, you know, you could see a section if you wanted to just pencil that in, just so we have a rough idea where it is. Right, but it's mostly under hair, so don't worry too much, but just so we get a sense of where it is. And then her nostrils down here, like so. So then her mouth, so it just goes across, down, a bit of gap, and then it goes across and down again. She does have a lipstick on, but you color that in, it's kind of pink. And then her bottom lip, just here. Her chin, real pointy chin, down there. So then if you're measuring proportions, eye to nostrils, about the same as nostrils to chin. Top eyelid, like the eyelash line to the nostrils, about the same as nostrils to chin. And then nostrils to bottom lip line, about the same as bottom lip line to chin. Okay, so there are your proportions. And then we will go up the side for the jaw. Kind of curves up here, it goes underneath hair, so we can't see it all. And we can even see less on this side. So it'll go like that. So then her fringe. So we have a V up here for the part in her hair. And then it's going to come down across her face, right? So we'll go that. And then we got like 4 or 5 spikes down here, right? So we'll just back up. 1. 2. 3. 4, and they kind of gradually get bigger, right? And this one eventually will go up around to the top of her head, right? So then the other side of her fringe kind of kicks down here over that eye section, and then we go up around like so. And then we'll go out here. And then we'll add spikes here as well. And then the fourth one, go quite long, up around to there. So then we could probably see some of her eye just in here, right? So like top eyelid line just there, you know, kind of like the other side. And then like the bottom eyelid will come across sort of here somewhere. Like so. And then we can see maybe some of her iris, just a curved line here. Try to line them up as best we can. So pupil, so it's always difficult when you can't see the other eye, but I think that's okay. And we can have eyelashes actually coming off her bottom eyelid. I forgot that. Yeah, some coming up the side here as well. There's like an extra line just there. Right, so then her other eyebrow comes in from here, goes in behind the hair, goes up across like so, and then maybe like some eyelid line maybe there. So I think maybe her eyelid line's a bit thick here. It's annoying when you can't see it, but okay, yeah, I'll move on. So her ear just comes out from here, comes up, out, down around to there, and then this goes up like so, down to there, right there. Right, and then her head. So we're going to bring it around, right? And this is going to go the whole way around to the front, right? So curved line. Down like so. And then she's got like some texture lines and stuff on the side of her head, her hair here. So this kind of stuff, just to show the direction of her hair growth. And then back here she's got like hair spikes sticking off to show like the hair tied up at the back. And then like a bun or something there. And then some hair spikes hanging down. Like so. Right, so her neck in here, and just the back of it there, like a neck muscle line just there, neck muscle line here. And then she wears a hood, right? So she wears sort of this hoodie-like thing. Coming out from behind her head. You should probably see some of her jaw in between her hairlines. And then this one comes out down the other side, and then the inside of it comes down to a V at the front, and then goes up back this way. And then we go curved line there for the side of her neck, and then we can see like a collarbone. And right, so then she's got strings or something coming down from her hoodie. Just two vertical lines go straight down with like a circle around them there. Just to show where they come out. Like so, and then we have a line for the bottom of that hood. There. Then her shoulders. So we'll go, let's say we'll just go off this way and then down. And then this side goes off a bit further because we're in 3/4 pose, and then down that way. And then this comes down into there. This comes out, down, into there. And then the lapels on her jacket, just here, these sort of triangle shapes. Like that. Then another one on this side. So like this shoulder is kind of smaller than this one. You can see like this one would probably fit across here twice because her body's turned away. So this shoulder's turned away from us, so it's a little bit smaller, right? Than this one, see? So it's 3/4 pose, so that you can only see 3/4 of the width of her body, right? The other shoulder normally, if she was turned fully towards us, would be over here. But this is turned away. So a bit of a dynamic pose going on. So then the lapel of her jacket, something over this side as well. Comes down, goes to there. Like so, and this comes down. And then the other side, down to there, comes across, loop, across. That's like a pocket, I think, and then there's like a fold line and like some sort of shield or something here. And then there. And I think there's like a sword. It's hard to make out this, but we'll draw in what we can see. I think there's like a sword crisscrossing. Right, but I think that's the best I can do. That's how to draw Annie from Attack on Titan. Hope it was helpful, guys. Thanks for watching. See you in the next one. Bye.